I am Nasimha, Senior Manager in Engineering Department from Torishima Pumps India Private Limited. It is a part of the Torishima manufacturing industry in Japan. So our Torishima is across globally. It is a manufacturing industry is there, and this is a service center where we are doing this our pumps, the boiler circulation pumps, and other products also we are doing the services. So here we started this unit in the 2013. So almost 10 plus years we are working here. In the service functions, we are doing the reverse engineering for the various pump parts. A lot of errors and repeatability is not there, and visualization of that our pump parts for our design engineers is very difficult. What the phases we faced in earlier. So when we have started using of the SolidWorks, we are eliminated the errors and visualization. It is helped out for our product to do the assembly and as well as make the right product. And any corrections is required, we can make it the corrections in the SolidWorks. So we use the SolidWorks and made that pump parts like impellers, casings, wallet liners, and the sleeves. SolidWorks we started here in the 2018, where we are using this SolidWorks for our products with the pump manufacturing. When we face some issues or some problems, so we contacted the Conceptia team. So they helped me for the virtually and that offline also. They came out to the office and they resolved the issues while doing the designing and all the things. So we thanks to the Conceptia team for getting them the certification as well as for supporting for the doing the SolidWorks. Thank you.